Welcome to 101 Archi Design. In this video, we'll take you on a tour to see our cozy living room collections. We rounded up more than 100 well-designed cozy living room that can enhance your comfort and make your space more enjoyable. We'll walk you through simple yet effective tips to make your living room a haven of comfort and style. The cozy living room is the heart of any home, offering a space where family and friends can gather, relax, and enjoy each other's company. It's a sanctuary of comfort and warmth, blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. Creating this inviting atmosphere involves thoughtful design choices, a keen eye for detail, and a focus on comfort. Here's how you can transform your living room into a cozy retreat. The foundation of a cozy living room lies in its color palette. Choose warm and inviting colors like soft browns, deep oranges, rich reds, and golden yellows. These hues evoke a sense of warmth and comfort, making the space feel more inviting. Accent walls, throw pillows, and rugs in these shades can add depth and interest to the room. Comfortable seating is essential in a cozy living room. Plush sofas and armchairs with soft cushions and throws invite you to sink in and relax. Consider incorporating a mix of seating options, such as a love seat paired with a couple of armchairs or a sectional sofa. Ensure there are enough seats for everyone to gather comfortably. Layering textures adds a tactile dimension to your living room, enhancing its coziness. Combine different materials like chunky knit blankets, velvet cushions, and wool rugs. These varied textures not only look inviting, but also add to the sensory experience of the room. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a cozy atmosphere. Soft, ambient lighting from table lamps, floor lamps, and candles can make your living room feel warm and welcoming. Consider using dimmable lights to adjust the brightness according to the time of day and mood. Fairy lights or string lights can also add a magical touch to the space. Incorporate personal touches that make the space uniquely yours. Family photos, artwork, and cherished mementos can make your living room feel more intimate and cozy. Display these items on shelves, mantels, or walls to add a personal and warm touch to the decor. Bringing nature indoors can significantly enhance the coziness of your living room. Houseplants, flowers, and natural materials like wood and stone add a calming and organic feel to the space. A wooden coffee table, stone fireplace, or even a few potted plants can bring a sense of serenity and warmth. Aromas play a significant role in how we perceive comfort. Scented candles, essential oil diffusers, or potpourri can fill your living room with inviting scents like vanilla, lavender, or cinnamon. These scents can evoke a sense of warmth and relaxation, making your living room even more inviting. The layout of your living room should facilitate conversation and relaxation. Arrange seating in a way that encourages interaction, such as a circular or semicircular setup. Ensure there is a clear flow of movement and keep frequently used items within easy reach. Creating a cozy living room is about more than just choosing the right furniture and decor. It's about crafting a space that feels welcoming and comfortable. By focusing on warm colors, comfortable seating, layered textures, ambient lighting, and personal touches, you can transform your living room into a haven of coziness and style. Whether you're curling up with a good book, hosting a movie night, or enjoying a cup of tea with friends, your cozy living room will be the perfect backdrop for cherished moments. Just keep watching until the end of the video. There are a lot of cozy living room interior that can be inspired for you.